Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today we're going to take a look at the newest top-load washer from Samsung, which helps the visual and hearing impaired. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. The new Samsung WA50 series washer now has audio assistance, playing a different sound for each button, and Braille right next to each key control panel button. This 5 cubic foot washer can be purchased for around $900 to $1,000. With the new active water jet technology, a built-in water faucet lets you easily pre-treat soiled or heavily stained clothes with the press of a button. Scrubs items right inside your washer with no laundry room sink needed. It also has Smart Care, easily troubleshooting from the convenience of your smartphone. Smart Care interacts with your washer and dryer to perform an immediate diagnosis and offer a quick solution to your problem. This washer is also equipped with the new innovative Vtr Plus technology that reduces noise and vibration for quiet washing. You can also maximize water levels during your washing cycle by selecting the Deep Fill option before starting your laundry. Deep Fill automatically adds extra water at the right time to ensure that all of your items are thoroughly soaked. On top of all this washer also has self-cleaning. This keeps your washer fresh and clean and eliminates dirt and bacteria that can form in the washer tub. Self-Clean will notify you every 20 wash cycles when it's time for cleaning. The easy access tub is shallower without sacrificing capacity. You can reach the bottom of the washer tub with ease to remove clothes after the cycle finishes. With technology always comes repairs. Another great thing about this washer is that ApplianceVideo.com has created a video series on all the major components for this washer, from the diagnostics to the repairs to fix it. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.